Determine the centroid of figure. For A, take it as 10 mm. Here, all over here, dimensions are given in 3A, 4A, 2A, 4A, 4A form, 5A, like this. First, draw x and y axis. Now, number the figures. See this rectangle as 1, triangle as 2, this triangle as 3, and semicircle as 4. Now, area of rectangle 1 is given by this distance 4a plus 4a equal to 8a into this distance 4a, we get area 1. And centroid of area 1 is at a distance of this distance by 2, and centroid of rectangle 1 is at a distance of this distance 4a by 2. So x1 is equal to 4a plus 8a by 2, that is 4a, and y1 is 4a by 2 equal to 2a. So area 2 is this distance into this distance, 3a into half 3a into 3a. We get area 2, and centroidal distance of triangle is at a distance of 2/3 of this distance from apex. So it is at a distance of 2/3 of this distance from the apex, and it is at a distance of this distance plus 1/3 of this distance. So x2 equal to 2/3 of this distance 3a, so it is equal to 2a, and y2 is at a distance of this distance 4a plus 1/3 of this distance 3a, this distance 1/3 of 3a, so it is 5. And area 3 is half this distance, that is this distance, and into this distance 3a, half 5a into 3a, we get area 3. And centroidal distance of area 3 is at a distance of 3a plus 1/3 of this 5a, 1/3 from base. So 3a plus 1/3 of 5a, and centroidal distance of triangle from x-axis is this distance plus this distance. So x3 equal to this x3 equal to 3a plus 1/3 of this distance, 1/3 of this distance. Get x3 this value, and y3 we get value this distance 4a plus 1/3 of this distance, 1/3 of 3a. We get y3 equal to 5a, and area of 4 is area 4 equal to pi by 2 into this distance, radius. Radius is 2a square. So area 4 equal to this value we get. It is minus because this has to be subtracted from this whole figure. And centroid of semicircle is at a distance of, it is already given, it is at a distance of 4a. And centroid of semicircle from x-axis is 4r by 3 pi. And now x4 equal to 4a, already given 4a, and y4 equal to 4 into radius by 3 pi equal to this value y4. So we calculated A1, A2, A3, A4. So calculating summation AI, here A4 is negative because it is in subtraction, and we get x1, x2, x3, x4, y1, y2, y3, y4. X bar is given by this formula, y bar is given by this formula. See that here A4, x4 is negative, A4 is negative because it has to be subtracted from whole figure. Now substituting A1, 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 x1, x1, y1, y1, a2, a2, x2, x2, y2, y2, a3, a3, x3, x3, y3, y3, a4, a4, x4, x4, y4, y4, and summation ai, summation ai, summation ai. Now substituting value of a as 10 and calculating, we get x bar value, and here also substituting a as 10 we get, and calculating all this we get y bar value. Now finally centroid is at a distance of 38.926 meters from y-axis, and it is at a distance of 31.464 meters from x-axis.